Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to join a band on Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have, as you can see, the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, you have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and join a band on Bandlab. So joining a band on Bandlab is a great way to collaborate with other musicians. First of all, launch the Bandlab on your computer or mobile device and use the search bar to find the band you want to of course go and join. So click on the search bar here and type in the band name. Click on the band's name to open their page. So basically when you click on a band name, click of course on their page. Then click on the join button to request an invite from the band. Once the band accepts your request, you'll be able to collaborate on projects and share your musical ideas. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.